How to use Content Aware tool to remove any object in Photoshop. If you want to remove unwanted objects from your photos quickly and cleanly, Photoshop's Content Aware tool is one of the best features you can use. It automatically fills the removed area in a natural way, making the edit almost invisible. First, open Adobe Photoshop and load the image you want to edit. Now go to the toolbar and choose the Content Aware Move tool, which is inside the same group as the Patch tool. Once it's selected, make a selection around the object you want to remove. Take your time to create a clean selection for better results. After selecting the object, press the backspace key. A small window will appear. Make sure Content Aware is selected. Now hit OK, and Photoshop will automatically remove the object and fill the background behind it. You can check the before and after by toggling the layer visibility to see how well the tool has cleaned up your photo. And that's it. Removing objects with Content Aware is fast, simple, and perfect for beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching.